How to turn off and disable notifications on your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable notifications in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on those three dots and then scroll down, go down and click on settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options, but don't worry, click on privacy and security. And after you click on it, now click on this site settings option and now scroll down like this until you find notifications. Click on it, and now if you want to disable, just click here and the notifications are gonna be disabled successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.